Hey guys, this is going to be a quick video review for the Supernova Guardian 1300 TL. This is their Professional Series Tactical LED flashlight. It comes with the latest LED lighting technology built into it. It has 5 operating modes: full, medium, low, strobe, and SOS. And the one thing I like about it, this is the kit when you open the box. You have your charger cable, your charger for your lithium rechargeable batteries. This right here is your holder for your 3 AAAs, so you can charge it one of 2 ways. Keep you a rechargeable battery always on charge, and have your regular AAAs just in case you need them. Now this is the flashlight. It is made out of metal. It's heavy, has a removable belt clip, button on top, and I'm going to try to fix this to where I can show you exactly there's that light. You can see it's bright. The beam is not adjustable like some others, but that ain't no big deal. You don't necessarily need a adjustable flashlight. You see different effects. When you turn it on, it's in super bright. Give a gentle tap on the top. There's your second mode, third. Whoops, sorry guys. There's your strobe, SOS, and it's off. The Guardian 1300 TL flashlight, it retails for $60, I believe it's, yeah, $69.97 on Amazon. But this is really worth it because it is a quality flashlight. You have rechargeable batteries with your charger, plus you use AAAs. So it's well worth it having. Great for anyone if you hunt or just need it around the house for things that come up.